Ooh, all right, y'all. This is Bunkie, Louisiana, January the 21st, 2025, and it's snowing out here. Well, it done snowed. It's kind of melting now. Look at the snow. I brought the puppies out here to potty. Hi, Skylar. Y'all ready to go in? It's cold, huh? So, oh, look at the snow. So, you know what, y'all? Let's go to the house and make some eggnog or some hot chocolate or some seafood bits. We need something warm. Look, I'm just taking my phone and I'm just going like this. Okay, look at all this snow on the ground. All right, whew, let me go in because I catch a cold fast.
Everybody, what's up, y'all? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That is me. Y'all, it's getting cold outside, and I think it's time to make some eggnog. So, I'm about to show y'all how I make my eggnog with a little whiskey in it. And let's get busy, okay? This is gonna be a 2 cup eggnog because it's only for me. So let's get started. Right here, I have take this top off of here. This is 1 can of pet milk, as y'all call it, evaporated milk. So putting one in my pot right there, that's 1 can of evaporated milk, which is 12 ounces, which is a cup and a half. Okay, I was gonna put that in there. Also, I'm gonna go and put this in here now because I need this measurement cup. I'm putting in a half a cup of sugar. Okay, half a cup of sugar. Okay, because also to that evaporated milk, I have some heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to put in a half a cup of heavy, make sure I move the pot, half a cup of heavy whipping cream. So this will make 2 cups. A half a cup of heavy whipping cream and a cup and a half of evaporated milk makes 2 cups. Okay, so that is my 2 cups of milk. Okay, now I'll be right back. Let me put this heavy whipping cream back into the refrigerator. I'll be back. Okay, now to that milk and that sugar, I'm going to add in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. Okay, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Put that right there. Okay, let's stir all this together. Now I am going to grate in some fresh nutmeg. Okay. Hmm. Okay, now let's add in. Okay. Get you. If you got nutmeg that's already ground up, that's good. But I like fresh nutmeg. So I'm only going to grate about 1/4 of this. Y'all know nutmeg is very strong. So let me see which one I want to use right here. So let's grate in. Let's grate in a little fresh nutmeg. Let me use this side. Got the nutmeg in there. Let's turn our heat on medium. We're going to let this get warm or hot. Okay, let's stir this all together with that nutmeg. Meanwhile, let me show y'all what I have right over here. Right here, I have 2 eggs and I've separated them. This is 2 egg yolks and these are the 2 egg whites. So I'm going to temper the egg yolks with the hot liquid to put back into the milk. And the egg whites, I'm going to make a meringue with 1 tablespoon of sugar, and that's going to be the egg meringue on top. that make it look like foam or marshmallows. Okay, so let this here get heated up, and I'll show y'all how to temper your eggs so they won't scramble in the hot liquid. Okay, this thing got hot, so what you want to do is, I can leave that spoon in there. I have another spoon right here, and these are my egg yolks. So I'm just gonna take like a tablespoon, well no, take like a teaspoon, put it in there, and whisk this. Stir it. So this is how you temper your egg yolks. Get a little more, stir it in there, and stir it real fast. There's a reason why this is called eggnog, y'all. Okay, so all I'm doing is getting these egg yolks to like a warm temperature. As you stir it up, it get creamy, and you're gonna pour this back into the milk. Okay. Can y'all see that? Okay. One more in there. Okay. Now these egg yolks should be almost the same temperature as this hot liquid in this pot. So I can take it. Okay. Now I can take it and I can pour it back in there like that. Now my egg yolks is in there, and it will not scramble in the pot. Okay, get it all in there. Get it all. Okay. Now let this cook for about 3 to 5 more minutes. No, about 3 more minutes. And now I'm going to get my whisk attachment and make some meringue to go on top of this. All right. Now while that's warming up and getting cooking with the egg yolk in it, these are our egg whites. Make sure when you put your egg whites in the bowl, it's free of all oil, and make sure that you don't have any egg yolks in your egg whites, or it will not turn to meringue. So we're gonna put this on high speed, and then I'm gonna gradually add 1 tablespoon of sugar to this. Okay. So let's get some stiff meringue peaks. Let's see what it's like. See, now I can gradually add the sugar to this because I don't want it grainy. So go on and add the sugar to it. That's 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now I'm gonna beat this till it becomes stiff meringue. All right. That only took about 3 minutes. Let's make sure we got it right. Let me feel. All right. Look, y'all. Ain't that it? Okay. Now, let me get back over here. Turn this heat back up a little bit, because we don't want this to boil over. Now, let me stir this. Then we're going to put a little alcohol in this. Then we're going to put the meringue in there to make the egg white marshmallow stuff on top. Okay, like I say, this is just a single batch or a 2-cup batch for just me. And When you pour it in your cup, you can put your own alcohol in it. But since this is for me, I'm gonna go ahead and spike it up now. So get you one of these little bottles like this or whatever alcohol you like. This is Southern Comfort, so this is whiskey. You can do bourbon or whatever. And I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna pour the whole bottle in there. I think this is maybe a look. I'm looking at this like I can see. I think this is maybe a 3 ounce bottle. Yeah, so put your 3 ounce bottle of whatever your favorite liquor is. Put it in there, stir it in there. When I tell you, I just not taste this eggnog off camera. When I tell you perfect, tastes so delicious. This is how mom and daddy used to make it for us back in the day. See, I remember all those recipes and stuff we had back in the day. My daddy would let us have a little cap of alcohol in ours. Mama wouldn't. Okay, so that's good and hot. Now, what you do is you get your spoon and you're gonna drop little dollars of that meringue in there. Just a few. You're not gonna use all of this. Just drop it in there. And it's gonna turn to like a mush. It's gonna turn to like marshmallows. Turn this down, make sure it don't. Oh, yeah. So yeah, it's gonna become like a yeah. I used to call it marshmallows on top of me. But this is how you get that. Now some people drink their eggnog cold. Yeah, some people do their eggnog cold and they'll wait till the end. They'll do everything that I did and they'll put it in the refrigerator, let it chill, and then after it chill, they'll take the meringue and they'll whip it into the eggnog. I don't like mine that way. I like hot eggnog. Okay. All right, and this is the finale. This is your eggnog. Y'all see that? Look at that. You see how your eggs look like marshmallows on top? So that's why it's called eggnog. The egg yolk is in the milk, and the egg whites is on top, like a like marshmallows. So you get your mug or a cup, and you dip your some in there. Okay. I couldn't find my big scooper, so I'm gonna do this one. Okay. It smells delicious. This beat any store brand, y'all. I'm telling you. So I like to put my juice in first. My juice. I like to put my milk in first. My eggnog. Then I put some of that egg white on top. Yeah, buddy. Let's see what the weather is outside. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Currently, in Bunkie, it's 36 degrees Fahrenheit.
36 degrees, y'all.
Sun. You can expect more of the same today, with a high of 45 degrees and a low of 22 degrees.
Ooh, 22.
Here is your traffic update.
What's my traffic update? Like I'm going somewhere.
Traffic on your commute looks pretty clear.
I ain't going nowhere.
It's about 1 minute via South Matthews Street and Keller Street.
Okay. There we go. All right. Be right back for a taste test. All right, y'all. It's time to taste. And we take my shades off as I usually do. All right. While this is still hot, I got my porcelain spoon. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. And I usually don't like the egg whites on top, but man, this is so delicious. Southern comfort, baby. Southern comfort. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. When it's cold outside. All right. Let's get out of my beard now. Y'all see me make it? Go make you some. Bye, y'all.